Hi, you guys. Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today with another tutorial on this bucket hat. If you like the video, you guys, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, consider subscribing. So let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, you guys, let's jump right into the tutorial. So what you guys see right here, you see granny squares and you see the top piece of our bucket hat. So in the granny squares, you guys, I just made 7 granny squares and I just connected them together and made this beautiful circle. Now my head is like the typical 21 inches. So when I measured my head with the granny squares, 7 was it for me. And how I did that, you guys, is I just basically just connected them together. And before I connected the last one, I just took it around my head to see if it fit. So easy peasy. Now onto the top piece. Now the top piece, if you have ever made a beanie, working it down into increase rows, there is a great tutorial that I'm going to link down below that I always use. Is Happy Berry. And I really like her simpleness of how she makes her beanies. And so I took the adult beanie and I took it all the way down to the last finishing of the increase. And then I just did 2 regular rows, as you know, when you're supposed to work it down for the length of the beanie. I just did 2 of those rows and it fit perfectly on my from my head. And so I will link her video down below so you guys can look at that, you know, for reference, because it really helped me, because I was trying to figure out, I was like, how am I going to make this top part? But then I thought of her beanie tutorial. And so like I said, I'll link that down below for you guys. So now what we want to do, we actually want to just join these 2 pieces together. Okay, so we want to do right sides to right sides. Okay, so we're going to take our granny circle here and we're going to turn it inside out. Okay, so we just turned it inside out like that. So just turn it inside out and you can have that up like that. And then you want to take your top piece, which is already on the right side, and you want to slip that down into your granny's circle right there. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just stitch around. So there is a couple of methods how you can do this if you like. You can use yarn and your hook. Well, we're going to use yarn, but you can use your hook. And then I also have darning needles. So if you don't know what a darning needle is, they come in the metal and the plastic. And so those are the darning needles, and you just basically cut your thread and then you seam it like you're sewing, like you're hand sewing around. And so the method I am choosing the awesome hook. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I brought this yarn in as red because I wanted to show you guys, like, this is like super easy and there's no right and there's no wrong to this, of course. And so you just really want to seam around your piece here. And so, and I'm just gonna add my yarn on. I wanted to use the red so I can show you guys. And so yeah, and so I'll just go all the way around and just doing now you can do a slip stitch, or you can do a chain, a single crochet all the way around. I am choosing to do a single crochet on mine. And then, yeah, you just go all the way around like I'm doing. Just all the way around in each stitch. And so you want to just go all the way around. I'm going to go and I'm going to do mine all the way around off camera, and I will meet you guys back up. Okay? All right, you guys, so I stitched mine all the way around, as you can see, and so now I'm going to turn it, and I left these right here so you guys can see. I didn't use the red yarn, but I used the coordinated yarn here. So I'm going to, now after we do this, we're going to turn it inside out. And there you are. So you have this part. Okay, and so now we have one more step that we need to do for this bucket hat. And so you want to go, because now you're making your brim, okay? And so you can have so much fun with this. You could do a different color. You can make it longer. You can make it short. You can make it, I always say, like, have it come straight out, or you can do it tight where it kind of curl up on each other. You can have so much fun with this part of your brim. And so let me get my yarn. Let me see. I think I'm going to choose the blue for mine, because I think it'll go good with the, you know, the coordinating with the top. And so I think it'll be really nice. So I have my hook. And all I'm going to do is I am going to do single crochets all the way around. Let me add mine on. Here we go. So I am just going to do single crochets all the way around until I get the length. And I'm just going to keep going around until I get the length that I want on my brim. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, you guys, and I will meet you back up when it's all done. Hi, you guys. I am all back. And look how beautiful is she. She's so pretty. Look, you guys, I took my camera off the stand. I had to show you guys. If you can see, now I'm holding it, so if you can see, like, I put some peaks on mine instead of just going all the way around. I put some peaks, and you see those peaks? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this truly reminds me, you guys, of the 1930s when they wore those little bonnets, and I am truly loving my bucket hat. Do you guys see that? Oh my word. So you guys, give it a try, and I will see you next time.